Hey all, so I got I think it's called an ATOTO, ATOTO. Anyway, the latest and greatest S8 Gen 2 with the large display. It's I think the Ultra Plus Gen 2. Anyway, it's supposed to be Apple CarPlay compatible, but man, I spent a long time trying to figure out how to do this. I looked online. People had videos of this. Anytime they got anywhere near like how to get the Apple CarPlay to work, their video cuts out. And then I'd read up online about how to do it, and people just don't mention anything. And it's like, you know, it's like this is brand new. It just came out, so it's like, a $500-600 unit, and that says it has Apple CarPlay, but nobody mentions anything about Apple CarPlay. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did it with mine to get it to work. So there's somebody out there that shows how to get this stupid thing to work on Apple CarPlay. So here it is. Oh, look at that install. Yeah, nice and clean. That's the way you do it. So anyway, so to do this, we'll go to the home menu. This is your Apple CarPlay right here. Doesn't look like anything that would be Apple CarPlay, but it is. And the way you do this is on your home screen here, you go to a blank area, you push and hold it, and you'll get into this menu, go to widgets. And I kept going into widgets. People say, go into widgets, and then it will cut out. And I'm in widgets, and there's no apps in here. There's supposed to be apps, and there's nothing. Well, I didn't realize that I kept going right. I didn't find anything. You got to keep going left. And here you go. Here are some more apps that are installed from the factory. You want this CarLink app. This is the app that has your Apple CarPlay. So just as an example, since mine's already up front, I'm just going to grab something else. If you push and hold it, it takes you back to your home screen, and you just let go, and there you go. It's there in your home screen. So, I put it on my home screen, and then I moved it down here where it's easy to get to. So what you have to do is take your data link connector. After you have this, you open it. I don't want to do it since I'm filming here. I don't know if it's going to mess up my iPhone. But, you just go ahead and you have to take your data link cable and hook up your iPhone directly to it. Yeah, it's called Phone Link. Anyway, you hook up your iPhone straight to it, and it'll link to it. And once it links the first time and you get everything working, then it'll always link after that every time you start the vehicle. It works perfectly. So, here's all my stuff. I don't want to click on anything to mess it up, but that's Apple CarPlay, obviously. And it works absolutely perfectly, no problem. So that's how you do it. So you need this weird looking icon right here. This app comes with the ATOTO. You don't have to download it or anything. It already comes with it. It's just hidden in there, and you need to pull it up, and that's it. So I got the 360-degree rear view camera too that I'm going to hook up. I'm just about done with it, but man, I love this thing. It's amazing. It takes this old vehicle, that had a tape deck in it that didn't work, and just completely transforms it. I have 2013 Nissan GTR. I have the new Toyota Supra, and I even have the new C8 Corvette. The C8 Corvette came with Apple CarPlay, which is really nice, but it's nothing like this. I mean, this is, for an aftermarket system, this is crazy. And I got, the best system in my stupid van. Anyway, that's how you do it. Hopefully it helps you out. If you're getting frustrated like I was and just can't find a darn thing on how to do it, here you go. I finally have something here on how to do it. Good luck.